Are those eye-catching deals on Cellarstyle.shop just smart marketing or a trap? If you've stumbled upon this online fashion store promising stylish jackets, trendy pants, and sleek accessories at heavy discounts with free shipping over €50, you're probably wondering if it's the real deal. On the surface, the website looks clean and well-designed, with professional images and a modern layout that gives off a sense of trust. But when I dug deeper, I found several red flags that raised serious doubts about its legitimacy. For starters, many of the product images used on the site can also be found on various other online stores. This suggests they may be copied or sourced from elsewhere without authorization, which is common with scam sites. Then there's the issue of the domain. Cellarstyle.shop was only registered on April 24, 2025, which makes it brand new with no history to verify. A legitimate store typically has some digital footprint, reviews, or social media presence, but this one has none. There's no About Us page that explains who runs the site, where it's based, or how long they've been in business, which makes it even more difficult to trust. I checked multiple platforms like Trustpilot and found 0 customer reviews, nothing positive, nothing negative, just complete silence. Even scam checker websites like Eveninsight are already flagging Cellarstyle.shop as a potential risk, which is concerning for such a new store. That said, I didn't find conclusive evidence to say it's definitely a scam, but the overall lack of transparency, ownership information, and customer feedback makes it a risky place to shop from. So if you're thinking of buying, proceed with extreme caution. Sometimes a sleek website isn't enough. Make sure you know who you're buying from.